Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Hope all of you are fine. I am Tanzia Afrin, lecturer Finance and Banking Department, Milestone College. Today my topics is Risk and Return, Chapter 9. Here the STEM is based on portfolio risk and portfolio return. The STEM is Mr. Saber invested 30% in company A and 70% in company B. The rate of return of two companies are 16% and 18% respectively. Respectively means in project A the invested amount is 30% and invested amount of project B is 70%. The rate of return of company A is 16% and company B is 18%. Those are the informations. And the requirements are: A. Find out the expected rate of return of Mr. Saber. Saber's expected rate of return we have to find out. And number B, if risk of company A and company B are 1% and 3.53% respectively, correlation of both project is 3.0, what will be the portfolio risk? Here the expected rate of return and number B, portfolio risk. We have to find out these two items. So now we have to, it is fast. I am using the STEM here and we have to solution these two requirements A and B. The first one is, we know number A, portfolio expected rate of return. It's called portfolio RP and the formula is R A multiply W A plus R B multiply W B. Here what is R A and W A or R B and W B given, or here R A equals to rate of return of project A or company A and WA is the weight of company A, and we can write down the amount here also. The rate of return is 16% of project A and the weight, already in STEM I saw that the project A weight is 30%. It means 30% or 0.3. 0.3. I highlighted here 0.3. Now R bar B, rate of return of project company B, and here 18%, and WB, weight of company B is 70% or 0.70, 0.7, 0.3 and 7. All these are the information here, and now I am putting all this information in this formula. Please focus here, my dear students. RA, it means 16 multiply WA, it means 0.3, 0.3 plus RB, it means 18 multiply WB, it means 0.7, 0.7. That's the formula and the math. Now we have to calculate the math through calculator, and I am calculating all these math, and the answer is 17.4%. This is the answer. The rate of return of portfolio, the portfolio expected rate of return of both company is 17.4. This is the first requirements answer. Now I am going to next requirement, number B. The requirement of number B is portfolio risk. We can say it in another name, portfolio standard deviation also. A standard deviation is another name of risk. And write down here the portfolio risk. The formula is here. Please, my dear student, attentively watch this formula. It's long formula. WA square, standard deviation A square, plus WB, standard deviation B square, plus 2 WA, standard deviation A, WB, standard deviation B, rho AB. Here rho AB means the correlation of both project. Now I am putting all the values in formula. Before that I am writing here the values all of these in ingredients. WA, we already knew it, 0.3. WB, 0.7. Standard deviation A equals to 1%. Standard deviation B equals to 3.53%, and the correlation rho AB equals to 3.0. It means 3. Now I am putting all this information in this formula. Here first root over, then WA equals to 0.03 square multiply standard deviation A square 1 square plus WB, it means 7%, 0.07 0.7 square multiply 3.53 square plus 2 multiply 0.7 multiply 0.3 multiply 1 multiply 3.53, and last rho AB, it means 3. All we have to calculate. You can calculate separatively, or you can put it all in your scientific calculator. It must be scientific calculator, and then root over, and the answer is 3.26%. This is the portfolio risk of company A and company B of Mr. Sabir. For today, that's all, my dear students. This is the all math about the portfolio risk and portfolio return of chapter risk and return. This is very important for you. For today, Assalamu alaikum.